Peacock. A peacock like to eat grains. Eagle. An eagle like to eat fish. Deer. A deer like to eat grass. Pelican. A pelican like to eat fish. Duck. A duck like to eat grain. Goose. A goose like to eat grain. Goat. A goat like to eat grass. Lion. A lion like to eat meat. Flamingo. A flamingo like to eat fish. Sheep. A sheep like to eat grass. Cow. A cow like to eat grass. Muscovy. A muscovy like to eat grain. Dog. A dog like to eat meat. Bear. A bear like to eat berries. Mouflon. A mouflon like to eat grass. Squirrel. A squirrel like to eat peanut. Crane. A crane like to eat seeds. Pheasant. A pheasant like to eat seeds. Chukar. A chukar like to eat grain. Ostrich. An ostrich like to eat rock. Guinea Fowl. A Guinea Fowl like to eat grain. Hog Deer. A hog deer like to eat grass. Swan. A swan like to eat